Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you the most powerful video enhancer that I personally use, and it's completely offline. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the homepage looks like, and it's very simple and easy to understand. And if you want to download the software, the link is in the description. So in the right side we can actually able to see all the features and AI model that we will use to enhance our video. So I'm going to import one video to show you guys how to use it. So as you can able to see on the left side, we have the preview of our original video and its quality, and in the right side we will see the video enhancement quality if we click this preview button. So we have selected the basic AI model to enhance the video, and if you have low end PC, then make sure to turn on the turbo mode to see the preview. Now it will take time based on your hardware. So this is the video quality we will get using the basic AI model for video enhancement. However, it is not the exact video enhancement preview because we are using the turbo mode. The video quality will be more good after we export the video. So as you can able to see, very impressive change in video quality by just using the basic AI model of Aiarty Video Enhancer. And now let's check the video quality if we use the advanced AI. So guys, this is massive change in video quality after using the advanced AI model. We literally able to see the leafy structure that is barely visible on the original video. You can see the quality here. That's so impressive, to be honest. And if you really want to try something great, I would recommend you guys to use this software for video enhancement. So here is the side-by-side comparison for anyone who wants to check the quality difference. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.